Generally, endowment policies, money-back policies, and ULIPs will provide a combination of life cover and investment component. Tata AIA has gone one step forward and added health insurance to the combo. Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution. Will this plan give a comprehensive coverage of life insurance, health insurance, and investment put together? In this video, let us find out whether Tata AIA Param Rakshak solution can provide a 360-degree coverage of all the three aspects. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Param Rakshak Plus solution is a ULIP plan with life and health cover. Let us look into the features, benefit, advantages and disadvantages one by one. First, features. The plan offers you a coverage up to the age of 100. Pay the annualized premium for a limited period or a regular period. Flexibility in choosing the combination of accidental death benefit, accidental total and permanent disability benefit, critical illness and terminal illness. On maturity, the fund value from the base plan is payable. All the benefits under this plan can be received either in the form of lump sum payout or income for a limited period or income till survival of the partner. Next, we shall see the benefits you get under Param Rakshak Plus solution. This ULIP plan has two variants with slight difference. One is Param Rakshak Plus solution, the other one is Param Rakshak solution. Under Param Rakshak solution, you won't get the critical illness benefit and hospital benefit. All other benefits such as life insurance cover, accidental death benefit and return on maturity are similar to both the variants. First, life insurance cover. A lump sum benefit is paid to the family in case of unfortunate death. Next is accidental death benefit. It provides an additional sum assured in case of accidental death. Accidental, total and permanent disability benefit. Here there is a benefit payout in case of total and permanent disability due to the accident. Under Criticare Plus benefit, 40 critical illness conditions are covered. Hospicare benefit allows you to claim hospitalization expenses. Finally, on the end of the policy term, the fund value will be paid at maturity. Now let us move on to the advantages and disadvantages of Param Rakshak solution. Advantages: a complete 360-degree protection that helps in savings, life cover and health cover under a single policy. No need to buy multiple plans. There are 11 fund options to select for your wealth creation. Tax benefit is available under Section 80C and under Section 1010D. Disadvantages of Tata AIA Param Rakshak solution. The maturity benefit of this ULIP plan is not guaranteed. Locking the funds for a longer period is not advisable. Various charges are deducted from the premium and only the balance amount gets invested in the chosen fund. Premium payment is allowed only in annual mode. Although the premium paying term is limited, the fund value can be withdrawn only after the end of the policy term. Till now, we have seen the basic details about Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution. But this is not enough to decide whether it is suitable for your investment portfolio or not. Now, let us do a detailed analysis on how much return we can get from this policy by using the Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution online calculator. In this illustration, the policyholder is a 40-year-old male who included all the add-on options that are available in the Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution. The table deposits the premium for various options that can be chosen under this plan. The premium for all the add-ons is mentioned in the respective cell. Out of the total annual premium paid, the deductions are made for the respective add-on features and the balance gets invested in the ULIP. The assumed future investment returns are 8% and 4%. These assumed rate of returns are not guaranteed and there are no upper or lower limit on what you might get back at maturity. The value of the fund at the end of the policy term is meager to meet any financial goals. The IRR is negative if the fund return is 4%. The major reason for this low IRR is the fund management charges, premium allocation charge and other rider charges are deducted from the premium. The balance amount is funneled towards the chosen fund option. Even if the fund return is 8%, the IRR ranges between 3.5% and 3.75%. Locking funds for a non-guaranteed return which are much lesser than a bank FD rate is not recommended. The major chunk of the premium which is paid annually is utilized towards life cover and health cover and other add-ons. This is the reason for the low return on investment. The IRR of Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution is not worthwhile in terms of investment. Those who are having investment motives can look for other options like PPF and mutual funds. The current rate of interest for PPF is 7.1%, and any equity mutual fund would deliver a 10 to 12% return on average in the long run. Also, PPF and ELSS funds are tax efficient and help to attain the required corpus for life goals. After analyzing all the factors of Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution, it creates an illusion of relieving you from the hassle of finding different plans for health, wealth, and life protection. This plan might be suitable for those who are looking for life cover with additional riders and health cover under one plan. But the point to be noted here is, since the plan has numerous add-ons, the premium for the add-ons is a big burden in terms of investment perspective. In Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution, the investment is given relatively less importance. The money apportioned for savings after the allocation of various charges is limited. So, the return on investment on Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution is not sustainable in the long run. Alternatively, a pure term insurance provides high coverage at a low premium. To enhance the term insurance utility, additional riders can be added according to the requirement of the individual. Similarly, health coverage for the family is required. Top-up plans can be added to the family floater. And choose an appropriate investment vehicle to chase your dreams. A detailed review of Tata AIA Param Rakshak Plus solution is available as a blog post in our website. Link for the same is in the description box. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.